Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo Y52 5G, and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that your device do not respond to any touches, that actually the screen do not respond to any touches, then you can try to soft reset it, and all you have to do is to simply press the power button, which is right here, and the volume down button together, just like you'd like to take a screenshot. So let me try it. Let me press both of those buttons. I've just made the screenshot, so just ignore it and hold those buttons. We should see the black screen just like now, so we can release the buttons, we can see the developer's logo, and after a while the device will be restarted, and I hope that the screen will get back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset your Vivo Y52 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.